Good morning, y'all. It's Thrifty Tiffany and I am back with a vlog. So this morning, since I don't have Pilates, I am at the park and I'm gonna walk the dog down the trails. So we are going to do that and here we go. Just fix your thing right here. Hold on, we gotta fix your, I know you're scared, but we gotta fix. We gotta fix this. Make it tighter so you don't go away from me. You need a bath, buddy. You need a bath. Is that too tight? Just right? Just right, not too tight. Hold on. This is kinked. Ready to go for a walk? Hold on, fella. He's trying to walk so much faster than me, y'all. It's so pretty this morning. He's just trying to dog run sideways. You're not going into the dirt. Look how pretty it is, y'all. Fella is literally dragging me. Wanna see him? Look at this little stump. It's so pretty today. They had this little trail. We're gonna stick on this trail. Basically the golf cart trail. I believe they have golf somewhere, but this is a park. Look at the squirrel over there. Bella, do you see the squirrel? Look at it. Uh-oh, he didn't like that. Look, he's standing straight up, y'all. Like a bear. Y'all, it's so beautiful outside. Hold on, fella. Let me get a pretty picture. I got my running shoes on today. Stay on track, buddy. Y'all, we made it to a creek. It's a little nippy out here. We're gonna go over here to the rock area. Come on, fella. So we can get some water. Come on. Hold on. Look at the creek. You see the water? Look at the water, fella. Oh, he got his paws. Fella. Fella, do you like the water? Oh, look at the creek. You getting some water? Get you some water. Look at all the pretty pebbles. You gonna get some water? What do you hear? All the dogs? They're at the dog park. All right, let's go back on the path. Don't go on the sand. Let's go on the path. Good boy. Oh, fella, come on. Let's go. Why don't you want to go? Come on. Go ahead of me. Jump over the stick. Good boy. You got this, boy. Come on. Good boy. Let's get back on the path. Come on. Let's get back up. Do you like this? Do you like the noises? Come on. You just got back from the walk. How did you like it, sir? Fella? How did you like the walk? You sleepy? All right, y'all, I'm headed to a Dollar Tree, the first of today. We're at our second Dollar Tree. This is a really nice one. Okay, y'all, so grab you a drink and let's get started with dinner. Tonight we're gonna be making a grilled chicken caprese pesto little dish, and then we're gonna have some pasta with it, and we're also gonna have some green beans. I'm just gonna carry you along with me. These are all our little spices. We have garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes, basil, pesto. I got this pesto from Dollar Tree. Love it, and it's brand name. We got parsley flakes. I also got this Olive Garden garlic and herb from Dollar Tree. Love this seasoning on literally everything. Salt and pepper, of course. Then we got our green beans. We got mozzarella cheese, basil, tomatoes, and balsamic glaze. I have 3 different ones. Not sure which one I want to use. This one I got from Costco. This one I got from Publix. I love this one right here. And then this one I got from Trader Joe's. So you just need a balsamic glaze. You want the glaze. It's thick, it's amazing. That's what you usually put on a caprese salad. A caprese salad is mozzarella, basil, and tomato with balsamic glaze, salt, and pepper. So that's a caprese salad. So we're gonna put that on the grilled chicken breast, and on the grilled chicken, we're gonna also cook it in a pesto. So you can imagine the flavors and the taste, y'all. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. And I'm just gonna eat the grilled chicken with this and green beans. But if you have kids in the house and they want their carbs, add some pasta. You can always add the pesto into the pasta, which I'm gonna do. So you can make a whole plated dish. But I got my big pan right here. So we're gonna get started, y'all. We're gonna get started. I got my water boiling for the pasta. Go ahead and get the pasta done. This is heating up right now. I have it on. It's about 5:30. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna wash these and slice them up. We're gonna get started. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna use some pink Himalayan salt. This is super fine. Salt your water. Woo! Salt it like the sea, y'all. That's just gonna be that's just gonna be salted water for the pasta. That was a lot. So the pasta that we're using tonight is Trader Joe's rigatoni. Y'all, these are only 99 cents at Trader Joe's. About to cut the chicken up. And you can slice this several different ways. But you just want to take the fat off. Go right down the middle. We have 2 pieces. And keep doing that. We'll do another one real quick.
Yeah, that's cool with you. So. Yeah, that's right.
I put the chicken, sliced it. So I'll start off with 4 breasts. Now I have 8. And then we're gonna season this really nicely. Okay, y'all, we're gonna start with a little avocado oil. You could use olive oil. I just literally love this stuff, so I'm gonna use this. Of course, salt and pepper. Garlic and herb. Basil. Red pepper flakes. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Mix with our hands. Now the pasta is done, we're gonna drain it. We're going to rinse them off. I love cooking with dim lighting, so we're about to start the green beans. Have avocado oil. And these are the green beans that I washed. And y'all, my candle today, I actually got this from Hobby Lobby. And it smells so good. Vintage Luxe. So good. That is our candle for today. But about to start these green beans. To the avocado oil, we're gonna add some of this minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic. I actually have some fresh garlic. I'm just gonna use some of this because it's just quick. To your oil, a little scoop of it. Get this from Dollar Tree. Let the garlic cook a little bit to flavor the oil. All right, now we're gonna add green beans. You don't wanna burn the garlic, y'all. Don't burn the garlic. And we're gonna add our seasonings. We're gonna start with onion powder, pepper flakes, give a little spice kick. We use some garlic powder. All right, and we're gonna add some salt. Add a tad bit of water and then put the lid on and let it saute. This pan's been heating up. Avocado oil. Then we're gonna cook the chicken. So that should be heated up. And then now we're gonna add the chicken breast. This is what it's looking like. And we're gonna cook it for a little bit. Go ahead and add some pesto to the pasta. I'm gonna mix it up. One in the middle is good. About to cut up these tomatoes, just half them. I've already rinsed them, washed them. Okay, got those cut up. Now to cut up the mozzarella. The pesto pasta. You can put some of the juices from here in your pasta as well, but we're about to top this chicken. Spread the pesto sauce on each one, on the top of each one. Okay, we're gonna add our tomato and cheese. Okay, it looks like that, and then we're gonna put the top on. Actually, I'm actually gonna drizzle it a little bit and then put the top on. I'm gonna use this glaze. We're just gonna drizzle. On and let it cook. Chicken is done. It looks amazing. Everything's done. I'm about to plate it up. This is my plate, which is just the chicken and the green beans. There's my favorite candle, y'all. But this is the chicken and the green beans. It looks absolutely amazing. Now I'm about to plate up one of the kids' dishes. Okay, y'all, so this is Kaya's dish. We got the pasta, pesto pasta, the green beans, and the grilled chicken caprese. So I will put the recipe in the description box. Now, I kind of did my own thing per usual. Do you think you're gonna get some food? Are you waiting on mommy's food? Kaya's fixing your dish. Bella? Bella, you smell it? You want a green bean? You want a green bean? Huh? You want a green bean? Good boy. Yeah, I want some dinner too, Mama. You're such a cute baby.